Hello children, Happy New Year. Let's learn something very interesting in the beginning of the year. This is Pranav. He wanted to celebrate a new year. So he wanted to do something different. He ordered for a pizza. Yummy, tasty, cheesy pizza. In the first picture, you can see a whole pizza, and in the second picture, a pizza is divided into 8 equal parts. Children, when something is divided into equal parts, each part is called as a fraction. In this picture, you can see a whole apple and apple cut into 4 equal parts. These parts are called as fractions. This is another example of a whole and fractions. Here you can see a square and a square divided into 4 equal parts, that is fractions. Here both the figures are divided into equal parts. That's why each part is called as a fraction. Children, can you see this apple which is cut into parts? Yes, there are 3 parts, but these parts are not equal. Also, this pizza is not cut into equal parts. One part is bigger and another part is smaller. Therefore, children, it is very important for us to understand that if something is not divided or cut into equal parts, it is not considered as a fraction. So, in the given figure, pieces of apple are not fractions and pieces of pizza are also not fractions. In the given picture, you can see one whole cake. In the next picture, you can see the same cake cut into parts, but these parts are not equal. In the third picture, the cake is divided into 2 equal parts. These 2 equal parts are called as fractions. Now, let's learn something about basic fractions. Here, a chocolate is divided into 2 equal parts. Each part is called as a half. A circle is divided into 2 parts. Each part is called as a half. Children, you can see half is written in 2 different ways. If something is divided into 2 equal parts, each part is called as a half. Children, these fractions are also represented using numbers. So, it is also written as 1, a sleeping line, and 2. This is a numerical representation of half, that is 1 and 2 separated by a sleeping line. It means a picture or a figure is divided into two parts and we have taken one part, or each part is called as 1/2. So, fractions are written using two numbers separated by a line. Example is 1/2, that is half. The number which is written above the line is called as numerator. Here 1 is the numerator. The number which is written below the line is called as denominator. Here 2 is denominator. So numerator is written above the line and denominator is written below the line. Numerator means parts taken and denominator means total parts. Total parts in which the given figure is divided. Now, let's learn about a quarter. If something is divided into four equal parts, each part is called as a quarter part. It is also written as 1/4. Children, sleeping line is also called as upon. It is read as 1/4. In the given example, you can see a circle divided into four equal parts. So, we have written 4 below the line, that is in denominator. Total parts are written in denominator and the parts taken, that is here you can see one blue part. Parts taken are written in numerator, that is above the line. So, the given figure represents the fraction 1/4 or a quarter. In the second picture, you can see a cake divided into four equal parts. If we consider one part, it is 1/4. Now, let's learn about another fraction, which is 3/4. If something is divided into four equal parts and if we take three parts, those three parts are called as 3/4 and it is written as 3/4. That is, we have taken three parts from four equal parts. Let's revise what we have learned today. We have learned that when something is divided into equal parts, each part is called as a fraction. We learned about some basic fractions like a half, a quarter and 3/4. We have also learned that fraction can also be written in the form of two numbers separated by a line. The number which is written above the line is called as a numerator and the number which is written below the line is called as denominator. Children, that's all for now. We will learn and revise more about fractions in our online session. Till then, bye bye and take care.